In this video, I'm going to show you how to open PayPal account, which is also for kids and teenagers, so you can start and create income online on a daily basis. Start from today. If you would like to learn different ways to create money online, no experience needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, and every time I will publish a brand new content, you will get notified. So guys, you enter PayPal, then you click on sign up. Then you can choose between personal account to business, and I recommend personal. It will be enough for start. You don't need anything else, so choose personal account at first, then click on next, then enter your details, fill your detail. I will do it very quick. Okay, then click on next. Then you'll get a code to your phone that you entered, put it in. I got it to my phone. This is the code. I put it in. Then next thing will be your address. So enter your address, city, zip code, all that. I did it very quick so you can see. And then click on agree and create account. The next thing will be buy or send. Now, for a start, you are in what, and then you will need to choose between buy and send money. So let me show you. And now you can start make money online. Let me show you. If I click on buy, it will ask you for a credit number, for your credit details. Now I guess you don't have one. You'll need to just do the next thing, which is close the browser. Now close your browser. Then open your browser again. Enter to PayPal. Enter to PayPal again. Sign in, because you already signed up. Sign in. Enter your password. So let me just enter my password, then click on sign in. And now it will offer you to download the app. Do it if you want. And you're in. You can start and make money online from PayPal today. And you'll need it for everything online. Almost every platform online to get money, to make money on, will ask you for PayPal account. Next, you can link your credit account. Next, you can link your credit card. I mean, I suppose you don't have one, so you can enter your parents' credit card. And if they want, and if you want, you can link your bank account and confirm your email. That's it, guys. You can start and make money online right now using your new PayPal account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go down at the bottom and comment. Let me know what part of the video you enjoyed the most. What's your biggest takeout is going to be, and how you're gonna apply it on yourself. Once you've done that, make sure to subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon, because I've got an awesome video coming out soon. And if you click on the bell notification right now, I'm going to make sure you won't miss that video, because I'll notify you as soon as it gets published. Thank you guys, see you next time.